Have you noticed that when you apply filter in Excel, the sum still shows the total of all data? This is where subtotal saves your life. I have sales data and I want totals that change automatically when I apply filters. Here, first we'll do sum of these sales. And now I'm using subtotal. And I want sum. Every function is represented with a number. For sum, we have 9. When I select this function, it takes that function number and I'm selecting sales. This is also giving 930. Now, let me apply filters. I'm selecting header, data tab, and here we have filters. Shortcut key is Ctrl Shift L. Now I want East sales. I'm selecting East. So subtotal is giving 108 and sum is giving 930. So subtotal is also working like sum, but the magic is it respects filters. So when we are applying filters, subtotal shows only visible cell values, but sum gives the total sales. Now again, if I filter West, I want West data, I got sum of West sales. If I select North, it gives sum of North sales. This is why subtotal is used in dashboards and reports. I'm removing filters. Let me hide some rows. I'm selecting 10th, 11th, 12th and 17th row. Right click, hide. Few rows are hidden, but still some subtotal is showing 930. Now I want to perform sum only on visible cells, not on hidden cells. So for hidden rows, subtotal function number we use 109, comma, I select the range, bracket close, enter, 779. So for filters we use function number 9 and for hidden rows we use 109. If I remove filters now, already we removed filters. To unhide rows, select that entire range, right click, unhide. It is showing total sum again. If you want to master Excel the smart way, follow Excel logics for more tips.